Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we are gonna learn about excretory system, especially in urinary system, with Mrs. Sulis. And how are you feeling now? Hopefully you stay healthy and keep enjoying in this class, okay? So, today we will talk about kidney urinary system process, kidney disease, and disease prevention. Yeah. What do you think about this picture? Nah, kira-kira kalau kalian lihat gambar ini, apa yang akan kalian pikirkan? Di sini kan ada beberapa gambar. Ada gambar rumah, kemudian ada sampah. Nah, apa sih hubungannya dengan sistem ekskresi yang akan kita pelajari hari ini? Oke. Nah, bagaimana jika di dalam tubuh kita? How about in our body? Ya, in our body there is urinary system. Ya, jadi di dalam tubuh kita terdapat sistem urin yang didesain untuk remove waste products such as excess water, salt, and urea from the blood. Ya, jadi udah kelihatan ya hubungannya antara gambar sebelumnya sama sistem ekskresi itu apa. Jadi sama seperti gambar yang sebelumnya. Kan rumah itu menghasilkan sampah, ya nggak? Nah, sama seperti di dalam tubuh kita. Dalam tubuh kita juga menghasilkan sampah. Nah, sampah produk sampahnya itu seperti apa? Seperti urea, gitu ya. Nah, in urinary system consists of kidney, ureter, bladder, and also urethra. The kidney are tube-shaped organ that filter the blood, and for the ureter are tube connecting the kidney to the bladder. The bladder are organ that store urine as it is produced by the kidney, and for the urethra are tube that connect the bladder to the exterior where urine is released. So to make your understand, please watching this video. Okay.
Stop. Do you know which system of your body takes the extra liquid out of your body? Did you know that most of the food we eat also contains a lot of liquid? But you don't know which parts of your body throw extra liquid out. Imagine what would happen if all the liquid stayed trapped in your body. So you think a blast would occur in your tummy if your body didn't get rid of extra liquid? It does not happen like that. The body has certain parts which take care of extra liquid. All these parts are part of the urinary system. This is also called the excretory system. Let's understand more. The main parts of the urinary system include two kidneys, ureters and bladder, and a urethra. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs. All of the body's blood passes through it, and it filters the blood, and waste liquid is changed into urine.
Okay. So after you're watching the video, I will explain you about the kidney. Yeah. So the kidney has removes metabolic waste from blood. The kidney is made up of thousands of repeating units which called nephron. Jadi di sini terdapat banyak nephron ya di kidney itu. So how the urinary process? Ya. For the first, filtration. Ya, filtration to move of substance from blood to nephron. And then the second is reabsorption. It is to move substance back into blood. And the third is secretion. It is removing select molecules from blood to tubule. And the last is excretion, which is filtrate into the bladder. Yeah. So in here there is a picture about the neutron. Yeah, there is Bowman capsule, which is glomerulus, and also proximal tubule. After that, loop of Henle, distal tubule, and the last is collecting duct ya. Oke, kita bahas satu-satu ya. For the process of urinary system. For the first is filtration ya. The blood passes through the glomeruli and blood pressure is used to push plasma through the capillary walls and into the Bowman capsule. So, this is the blood enter from afferent renal arteriole and exit from efferent renal arteriole. The product is primary urine that consists of water, electrolytes, glucose, amino acid, lipids, vitamin, and nitrogenous waste. Ya, ini proses pertama dalam sistem urin, filtrasi. And then the second is reabsorption. The filtrate are normally reabsorbed back into plasma by renal tubule. In this, the nutrition, such as water, salt, urea, are moved out of the tubule. The location of reabsorption in proximal convoluted tubule, and the reabsorption of glucose cannot take place in the nephron. Ya. Jadi di sini disaring lagi, saring kembali ya, reabsorption. And the last is secretion or augmentation. In this process, some substances such as hydrogen ions, creatinine, and drugs will be removed from the blood into the collecting duct and the location in distal tubule. Okay. This is the end product, which is urine. Nah, nanti jika 3 proses tersebut sudah terlewati, maka urin akan menuju ke ureter ya, dan ditampung di urinary bladder. Dan terakhir urin akan keluar melalui uretra, seperti itu. Jadi kesimpulannya apa? Kesimpulan yang kalian bisa lihat di gambar ini ya. From bloodstream enter to renal arteriole, then goes to glomerulus, and this is filtrate the waste, sugar, salt, urea. After that, through renal tubule, which is proximal tubule, will reabsorb the water, sugar, and salt. Yeah. After that, it will secrete the acid, potassium, and drugs in distal tubule from collecting duct to renal pelvis. And the urine, and then will be produce urine. And the urine consists of urea, salt, water, acid, and drugs. The urine also goes to ureter, bladder, and urethra. Okay, we can see the urine consists of 95% of water and 5% of waste, ya. Okay, so now review time. Jadi reviewnya akan dalam bentuk pertanyaan. Kalian bisa menjawab melalui kolom komentar dengan menulis soalnya lalu jawabannya kalian apa, atau kalian juga bisa men-screenshot dan menjawab ya di kolom komentarnya. Kalian bisa coba ya. All the answer related with our learn before. Ya, jadi apa yang udah pertanyaannya itu apa yang sudah kita pelajari sebelumnya ya. Okay, for the first question. It is a muscular tube that carries urine from the kidney to the bladder. Nah, kira-kira apa ya? Kemudian, it is where urine is stored. Next question. This is the tube through which urine flow out from the body. Next question. Found in the kidney and responsible for the filtration of blood and regulation of chemical. Okay. So you can answer the question. Okay, after we learn about the urinary process, we have to know the disease related with the kidney. Yeah, so the kidney disease, there is some or several diseases. For the first, glomerulonephritis. Yeah, it is the inflammation of the glomeruli in the renal corpuscle of the kidney. Jadi ini ada terjadinya inflamasi ya di glomerulus. Nah, kemudian ada kidney cancer develop when cell in certain tissue in the kidney become abnormal and grow uncontrollable, forming tumors. Jadi kalau misalkan kanker ginjal itu adanya benjolan seperti kayak bentuknya tuh kayak tumor gitu ya. Dan kemudian ada there is a kidney stone, which is a large accumulation of calcium salt crystal from urine that may form in the kidney ya. So the key is large accumulation of calcium salt crystal. Jadi ini membentuk kristal ya. Kemudian ada pyelonephritis, which is inflammation of the kidney caused by a bacterial infection. There is also urethritis, inflammation of the urethra caused by a bacterial infection. So, this is the inflamasi yang terjadi di urethra. Kemudian ada urinary incontinence, is involuntary and unintentional passage of urine. And the next is albuminuria, ya, show by albumin or protein molecule in urine. Jadi kalau misalkan di urine kita terdapat protein, nah itu berarti menandakan dia itu memiliki penyakit albuminuria. Okay. And the next is glucosaria, which is shown by glucose molecule in urine. And the last is hematuria, shown by erythrocytes in urine. So, how to prevent the disease? Yeah, there is some prevention, which is we have to make physical activity regularly, as well as helping to prevent health problems. Exercise is now being used as part of the treatment of many disease. Yeah. And the next is drinking enough water. Yeah, water also help keeps the blood vessel so the blood can travel freely to kidney and deliver essential nutrition to them. Yeah, as we know that the water give a lot of benefit for our body. Yeah, and the third is life healthy, because small lifestyle change can make a big difference in helping to prevent kidney disease. Okay. Okay. I think that's all from me. I'm so sorry if there is some mistake or noise. Don't forget to fill the worksheet on your book. Write it on your book, and please take a quiz after you listen this meeting, this material. You can also read the book or handout that I have gave last week, and see you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.